In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can archive and unarchive your post on Instagram. It's pretty simple. First thing, you want to make sure you're on the profile of your Instagram. You can click on your profile picture and you're gonna come to this page. Now, once you're on this page, just choose any post you want to archive. Let's say I want to archive this little video over here. What I can do is right beside the video, there's going to be a three dot. Click on the three dot and click on where it says archive over here. Once you click on archive, it's going to show you this. From over here, just click on archive and it's going to show you archiving, and after some time your video will be archived. Once it's archived, your video is not going to be displayed on your profile like this. It means you have made the video private. Now let's say you want to unarchive it. In that case, what you need to do is when you're in your profile at the top right, you can see the three line. Just click on the three line and click on where it says archive over here. Now once you're inside archive, at the top you can choose the archive section and make sure you're on the post archive, because if you're in the story archive, it's going to show you all the story that's archived. But we just archived our post, so we want to be on post. And to unarchive the post, just open the post. Once you open the post, just click on the three dot again at the top right. But this time click on where it says show on profile. Show on profile basically means unarchive in a way. Click on this and it's showing are you sure? So just click on show on profile again and it's confirmed. And it says restoring. After it's done, the video is going to be removed from your archive section and it's going to be added on your profile again, just like this. So that's how you guys can archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. Hit the subscribe and like to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.